Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys can see, I have two packages right here, and these items, I ordered them online and it was overnighted to me. I mean, I was totally surprised at how fast the shipping are. And this item that I've got here, I don't know why Louis Vuitton released this item so early this year. So, well, I don't know why, but anyway, this is, I think it's one of the cutest item that I've ever seen in such a long time. So anyway, so here's my receipt right here. Let me just put this one away. Yeah, this is the online receipt. And then here's the item right here. I am so excited for this one. This is totally unexpected and it arrives so fast. So before I'm gonna reveal this item right here, let me just show you the first item. And I have mentioned in my previous video that I am actually collecting this item right here. I love this packaging, guys. This is you will get this type of packaging when you order an items online. Okay, so maybe when you order it, when you order it at the store, you will get the box, the magnetic box, but with an online order, you will get this closure right here. It has a string and with this lovely vachetta leather in it, which is really nice. So anyway, here is the first item that I've got, and it is a book. So yeah, I am trying to complete my my collection at the end of this year, and I was hoping that I will be able to, maybe the end of this year. If not, I still have next year though. But anyway, let me show. I mean, the cover for this is so beautiful. I love the mint color. Okay, so the first item, it is a travel book right here, and it is from Shanghai, China, and it is by Otobon Nakanga right here. Wow, I love these books. So let me just show you a little bit of what's inside right here, just in case if anybody out there are interested on this travel book. So this is how it looks right there. A little glimpse of what's inside right here. Yeah, it's very nice. The color is so soothing right here. Beautiful right there. So this is the first item, and I know I couldn't wait because I placed this order yesterday and I just got it, and I could not wait to show you this beauty, guys. Oh my gosh. So okay, so here comes, oh, in this dust bag. And to reveal, okay, where is she? It's right here. Okay, wow. Oh wow, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute that is. Oh, this little bunny. Oh my gosh. This one became available yesterday and I placed an order, and wow, it is stunning. Look at that. Let me give you a closer look on this beauty right here. Wow, this little bunny. This is actually part of the next year Lunar New Year. Wow, because I think next year would be the year of the rabbit. So I don't know, like I mentioned earlier, they released this so early, and wow, look at that, the detail of it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So as you guys can see, there is a ears right here, and it has this beautiful pink color. I hope my camera is actually picking up the exact color right here. And then we have the eyes, and then we have the mouth, nose, and then the mouth right there. Oh yeah, the nose is actually, I think it reminds me of the Essential V that Louis Vuitton has. And then we have a monogram flowers right here at the cheek. Wow, right there. And then look at that, take a look at the intricate details of the monogram, the Louis Vuitton monogram. Oh my gosh, I'll give you a closer look of it. Wow, it's so beautiful, the color, the brown color, and then the pink. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that. I can't get over how lovely it is. And also, it came in with this really soft and fluffy mink tail right here. I'm not sure of the tail though. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I have no idea if how this this fur will stood up. I don't know. It's very thin right here. It's very soft though right there. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I also have noticed that the ears I don't even know why they did not include, I don't know, it's like there's the missing right here. Maybe that is just like a silhouette of it. But regardless, it is so cute. Oh my gosh. The reason I got this, that's because I have the Speedy Bondolier 25 right there in that lovely cognac color. And I think with that color and this charm looks perfect together. And I told myself I won't be getting any charm from LV anymore. That's because they are a little bit pricey. And this one is $490 US before tax. Plus tax, it's around a little over $500 US for a charm. Can you believe that? Okay, let's take a look at the back. So the back actually, it's just plain with this miniature classic monogram right there. This one is made up of canvas, and then this one is made up of leather and some sort of the gold hardware right there. Wow, I totally love this. Oh my gosh. And okay, so here is the product code, the M00994, with the date code around there, CX3272. So this one is crafted on the 37th week of 2022 in Italy. So it is made in Italy right there. Lovely. And then on the other side, it was engraved right there, Louis Vuitton. And you can actually use this as a bag charm or a key holder, but no, I won't be using this as a key holder. Definitely not, because I'm afraid that this fur right here, the tail fur, will come off. Yeah. So pretty much, oh, okay, there's a tag right here. This is the product code, M00994. Wow, it's cute. It's $490 US before tax. And okay, yeah, this is where you could hang it. So let me take this one out. And let me see how this would look with this beautiful bag right here. I have here my Speedy Bundle 25 with this lovely charm right there. And let me just try to put this bunny right here on this side. I think it would look gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. I can't get over of how beautiful, how lovely that monogram in pink color. Oh my gosh. And also the hardware is in shiny gold that matches perfectly with my Speedy that also has the gold hardware right there. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Just like that. I think I could find a lot of uses on this charm. And yeah, wow. It's like right now, I can't get over of how cute it is. I mean, last time I remember last year, the Bambi ones, I think they have that one as well. I wasn't really sure about it. And also there is another one upcoming. I think it was a panda, if I'm not mistaken. And wow, I think this is cuter than the panda though. Oh my gosh, I can't get over of how lovely it is. Oh wow, she's so cute. And for $500 US, I'm not gonna say anything with the price. I am not, but all I know is I love it. I'm happy with it, and I think that's all that matters, right? Oh my gosh, she's such a cutie right there. And also, it is also available online. They have a bracelet as well. Yeah, it is part of the Lunar New Year next year, and they also have a necklace. So maybe you will check the website from time to time if you're interested to get the items for the Lunar New Year. And I know it's too early, but yes, this one is part of the Lunar New Year next year. And maybe they come out, they will have some the bandeau. I hope that the bandeau that they will release, it will have this beautiful bunny right here all over it, the print. Oh, that would have been amazing. But I think you could also flip this on the other side. No, there's no print, there's nothing, it's just plain monogram. But with that, she is stunningly beautiful, just like that. Wow. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.